Hiking pa rin kami mga friendly. Ayan. Hindi na matapos-tapos. Mag 3 hours na kami. Ayan. Ayan, may saging. Puno ng saging. Ayan. Wow, 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 wow. Ayan. Saging. At saka yung puso ng saging. Wow. Mga bahay dito sa Lama. Daming puno ng saging mga friends. Parang style lang ng Pilipinas. Ayan. Gubat itong dinadaanan namin. Oh my God. May mga bahay doon sa tuktok ng bundok. Oh, parang nakakatakot. Kasi paano kung may ahas? Kagaya yun, oh. Umaakyat doon sa bahay niya, oh. Paano kung may ahas? Oh my gosh. Ayan, oh. Diyan ka aakyat. Oh. Ganda nga ng bahay, kaya lang bundok naman. Pero oh my gosh, naririnig yung mga friends. Ano bang mga huni na yun? Kanino ba yun? Tapos may tao doon, oh. Parang style Pilipinas, oh. Pilipina? Parang Pilipinas lang? Ano? Parang sa Pilipinas? Matagal ka na dito? Foreigner amo mo? Ah. She's a Filipina. You see the doggy? 30 years ka na. Salamat daw, sabi ng alaga ko.
30 years na ako dito sa Lama.
30 years?
Oo. Wow.
She is living here in 30 years already.
Oh, it's so long already.
Ay, say hi,
The
doggy.
dog is so cute.
Asan ang amo mo? Diyan sa, doon sa taas?
Yan lang, kasi lang nasa taas na bangon sila.
Ah, you see? Kanina pa kami nagha-hiking.
Inikot mo na lahat?
Inikot namin.
Wala, makarating kayo doon sa may pagoda. Sa may...
Oh,
so cute.
Gusto niya yung aso mo.
Like the dog of Justin before.
Bye-bye, doggy!
Bye-bye! Matanda na rin.
Anong pangalan? Anong pangalan nila?
Max at saka Priya.
Priya, Max,
Priya.
Priya, bye!
Bye-bye!
Wow, imagine she can stay here for 30 years in this kind of place.
You're welcome.
Yeah, and this, I don't know. And she's living here.
Oh, just this one?
Yeah, it's so nice also, right? But how can you live in a place? Oh my gosh, it's so lonely. In Robinson, if I'm alone, I'm so sad. That's why I'm doing the YouTube, and then I feel.
But you have many friends, Mama.
Yeah, I have a lot of friends, but of course, I'm lazy also to go out every time.
You go out sometimes, no?
Yeah, sometimes. If, for example, we're going for sports, ganyan. Wow, 30 years, could you imagine? Wow.
Hey, if you're alone in Robinson and you have friends, then you go.
Yeah, sometimes I told mommy, especially Saturday, we are cooking some Filipino foods, and then I just go with them, and then sometimes in May Road.
Yeah. Probably Monday also okay lah. Like if mommy's at work, then nobody.
Oh, but I have to wash clothes, clean the house also.
Yeah, but and then if you finish, then you go see your friends.
Yeah, you know.
Or you just call them, it's okay also. Or you call me, it's okay also.
And you know, mommy just coming back very late, and then sometimes she's not telling me, she's not eating. On Sunday night, what time you're going out? We are going to airport.
10, 11. And sometimes you can call me also afternoon because for me it's not kind of early.
But you're always going to work.
You just call me. And
Okay.
then if I'm at work and then I say bye bye, I call you later.
Okay. Walong Village. Wow, many houses, nice also, right? You see, we are now in Walong. Wanglong. It's not Walong. Wanglong. I don't know what is that. Ayan. Pinicturean ko lang. Tapos yung mga bahay, oh. It's really nice houses. Wanglong. Oh. Yeah. All residential houses. It's a village. Wow. See? Lama. We're here in Lama, one long village. Wanglong Village. Saan ba kami pupunta? Oh, tignan yung mga bahay-bahay dito, mga friends. Residential houses. Tigrada luwa. Mga houses dito. Lama Island. Yan. Taoyuan Village. Taoyuan Village. Ganda. Para ka lang nasa Philippines. Taoyuan Village. Thank you. Wow. Wow. It's like that the one before, yeah? Yeah. You see the Hi, doggy. That's a Filipino also, you know. That's a Filipino. Ayan, at may nadaanan kaming bata dito, mga whitey friends. May hinuhuli siya, yung daw lumilipad na insekto. Kaso, tignan nyo naman yung hawak niyang pangkuha, napakaiksi. Tapos napakataas nung mga dinadapuan ng insekto na yan. Gustong tulungan ng alaga ko at saka si amo. Kaya lang, paano nila matutulungan? Ay, hindi naman makahabol yung kanyang hawak na net. So, ayan, mga whitey friends, kinakausap siya ng alaga ko at saka si amo. Ayan, at wala nga kaming tulong na magawa. So, better na umalis na lang kami, sabi ni amo, kasi hindi ka namin matutulungan. Maiksi yung hawak mo. Kaya yan, tumuloy na kami. Very funny, mga friendly. Napakaganda talaga itong adventure namin na ito. Kasama ko si Angel at saka si amo. Ayan, patuloy pa tayo mga whitey friends hanggang sa makarating tayo doon sa port na talagang destination na, ng hiking na ito. Ang gaganda ng mga bahay-bahay dyan sa kapaligiran.
Taoyuan Village.
Wow. You see this one, Angel? This one, I can drive it. I think I can. Yeah, I can drive it.
And have shops now.
Yeah. Can you see?
Suddenly have many things. Because it's near the ferry. Don't have more things.
Shop. Oh yeah, what shop on your village? Ayan. Stones. Hanggang dito na lamang mga whitey friends, at update ko kayo sa mga susunod namin na journey. Malapit na siguro kami doon sa port, sa palagay ko lang. Thank you very much mga whitey friends. Hanggang sa muli sa adventure namin dito sa Lama Island.
Friends, update ko kayo sa susunod namin na mga
love you all. Medyo talaga wala na akong battery. Hindi lang medyo.
Wala na akong battery.
10 na lang %.